Brooke here with WTI. Are you looking for a sheet set that brings back some nostalgia, that is really comfortable, affordable, but high quality? Well, check out Linen Homes 100% cotton sheet set. This is a set of 4, and I feel like when I sleep with these sheets, I'm jumping into my favorite clean white t-shirt. If I can live in a t-shirt, I really would. There's something about cotton that makes me feel very earthy, and I just love how this cotton feels. This one here has a fitted sheet with a 15-inch deep pocket down covering the mattress on the side, and there's room for a mattress topper or a thicker luxury mattress. I have the queen standard size, and this is true to size because of the strong elastic. It holds everything in place and it's snug. I have not had any problems with piling or having to readjust my fitted sheet. The top sheet is very breathable and just gives you a little something extra to keep between your comforter and you, which just makes you feel very good. I know for me, it makes me feel like I'm at a hotel. The 2 pillowcases have an envelope closure, and even when I try to get it out, my pillows don't fall out of these pillowcases. So I think it's a combination of the material and those envelope closures that keep my pillows in. I love this color. It's just like that beautiful vintage, and this is a pre-washed also sheet set, so it's really meant to just look very warm and inviting, and I have not had any shrinkage as well. It's already pre-shrunk, and I just feel like this is a perfect fit for my queen bed. I love this. I know that it's really great to have a nice staple sheet set, so that's why I enjoy this one so much. But that's just my point of view.